Hello and welcome to the series How to Build Test Automation Framework using Page Object Model in Selenium and Java. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to add extend report in our test automation framework. And this is part 4. To make our report rich, we need to add a screenshot of the failing scenarios. So let's see how we can add. Let's begin. Till now, we have learned how to generate an extend report and how we can integrate it in our existing automation framework. And to attach a report for the failing scenario, let's first make this test fail. So I'm just making this test fail, and let me run this particular test and see what is the output. So our test got failed and the report has been generated, and let's see the report. And the report is generated with the step like it is getting the heading. This is the actual, and the test is failed. However, it do not have a screenshot as well as the error stack trace. So let's add those things to this report. And for that, let's go to the base test, and in a base test in teardown, here is a if block which we have already added while we were capturing a screenshot for the failing scenarios. But now in this case, now we are adding the screenshot in the extend report, so we do not require this code. So for time being, I'm just commenting out, and inside this if block we will be adding a screenshot to our extend report and also the error stack trace. So to get a error stack trace, we have itest result, so we can use this. So result dot get throwable, and this will give you the error stack trace. And we can add the third parameter, which is the media, and by this we can attach a screenshot to our report. There is a class media entity builder which is by the extend report. We can use that, and in this there is a method create a screenshot capture from base 64. So we are using a base 64 because we don't want to save this screenshot to any folder. We just want to directly attach that screenshot to our report. And then what we have to do, we have to use this code to take a screenshot. So for that, just simply copying this and pasting over here. And if you remember, we have taken a screenshot earlier, and if you have not familiar with that, please go and visit my previous video where we were capturing a screenshot and saving it in the file. So here you see output type is a file, but this method needs a base 64. So instead of output type, we will pass the base 64. Okay, and then let's cut this and let's go and paste it over here. Okay, also it will require dot build. So now this is by this we are capturing a screenshot. So let me put this in a same line, and yeah, okay. So in this we are passing the status as a fail. Then the second parameter, we are providing the error stack trace, and then the last parameter we are attaching a screenshot to our report. So now let's run our test and see whether our report has these two important entity in the report. So yeah, test got failed, and let's see. So we could see the report has the image base 64 image, and when you click it, it will show you the screenshot at which the test got failed, because we were comparing this welcome to the internet heading, and it got failed because we pass expected as a heading. Also, if you see, this is the stack trace, and in the stack trace, if you see, the expected was heading, but the actual was welcome to the internet. And these are the two very important thing which I believe like it should be present in the report: the error stack trace as well as the screenshot. Yeah, thank you. So that's all I wanted to demonstrate in this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, like and share video with your friends. Thank you.